Before you dig deeper and try to find the reason for the parking brake temporarily unavailable warning in your Volvo, make sure you check the 12-volt batteries. You will most likely have two batteries, the main and the auxiliary one. Make sure both of them are good with the load tester, not just the multimeter, or you may just want to get a good car battery charger and charge them till the equipment says they are full. You won't believe how much time this can save you in the future with your Volvo, since these cars rely too much on the proper voltage in the system. So in most cases, just charging the batteries may solve your parking brake problem, since the parking brake relies on the auxiliary battery, which is often called the start-stop battery in Volvo cars. If the voltage drops in that battery, you will see all kinds of warnings, and the parking brake warning will be among them. If this doesn't help, there are two other more serious issues that you may need to check. Firstly, you need to check for available software updates. Unfortunately, dealers charge a lot of money for updates when your car is not under warranty anymore, but I know about one Volvo owner who wrote a message to Volvo USA saying that their defective parking brake software nearly caused injury, and he insisted on a free update. Volvo contacted him and offered free software update because they don't want owners to file their complaint with the NHTSA. This may eventually lead to expensive recalls. So there is a pretty common issue with the parking brake software, and the update may or may not fix it. Anyway, if your car has a pending update of the parking brake software, this would be the first thing you should actually try. Also, I know about several issues with the wiring harness in the parking brake system. In this case, the parking brake won't engage manually, the auto hold function will not work, and the ESC system will not be functioning either. Unfortunately, there is no way you can solve the problem on your own, because the wiring in these new Volvos is insane and it requires professional inspection. Also, this problem may potentially be caused by a failing parking brake motor, absolutely worn out pads or brake rotors, but these issues are not common for Volvos, since pads and rotors are checked during regular maintenance and the brake motor is pretty reliable.